So how to switch Hey Google to Gemini? You see, if I say Hey Google, Google Assistant already open. Now go to setting, go to your Gmail Google account. Make sure you are logged into with your Gmail account. Go to setting. Now go back and you can see the Google Assistants. Now from here select digital assistants. Now select Gemini, press on switch, continue, use Gemini. Now if you press and hold this icon, your Gemini is enabled. And another thing, go back and go to voice mesh. If you want to disable Hey Google, then you can disable it, and if you want to enable it, Hey Google, then it will be assist with your Gemini. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.